Good evening. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures. Just got back from fishing at a pond, caught a few crappie. And I was watching YouTube one day and I seen a guy on there scaling fish out of all things using a knife. I could see a spoon, maybe a fork, but a knife? No. He came up a little short on how to scale fish. So I thought I'd make a little video of me scaling fish. This little thing here, I don't know what you call it, but I guess a fish scaler. But it's got your saw edges on it. Fits in your hand nicely, and this is curved in such a way that the scales don't fly everywhere. That's one reason I don't like scales going everywhere. But we're gonna do these the old-fashioned way. We're gonna cook them whole and eat them up. So as you can see, you just go there and it gets it done nice and quick. And that's it. Get that side. You don't waste no time getting it done. And there you go. He's all scaled and done. Let's move to the next one. These two over here are already done. They still pop up a little bit, but nothing like if you had a fork or something. They go everywhere. That's what I started out when I was little at home. Is cleaning them with a fork. Scaling them with a fork and then a spoon. The spoon was a little better because it was curved and the scales didn't fly everywhere. But this thing right here, it really gets in there. It's pointed on one end. And like I said, you can pick them up at Walmart. I think it was only $2 maybe. I know it's under $3. Have to stock up on newspaper. I don't have that much, so I got this cardboard here. And there it is. Rinse them off with water, hopefully outside, not in the sink, because the scales will get down in the sink there. And there you have it. All scaled and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one up, show you how we do it the old school way. So you're just taking, I like to cut him right here under that, where the gills hold together the head right there. You just snip that off. Cut out the duca shoot, I call it. And they have eggs in them. A little small sack of eggs. That's the eggs right there. They'll get bigger as it warms up. They move into spawning season. And they still alive, fresh. And come back down the center. Cut down through the belly, open her up, go in with the knife and get that gut out. And there you have it. It's like all these are females. I think I was fishing about 6 foot of water today with a bobber and a jig and a minnow. I forget something. Whoop. There you have it. Whole crappie ready for the skillet. On Don Outdoor Adventures. They're gonna be nice when I cook them up. Me and the wife. Almost had 6, but he got off. Broke my line. That was a good one. But I guess they wouldn't call it fishing if you didn't lose a few every once in a while. But we'll see you next time on cleaning crappie the old-fashioned way, scaling, cutting the heads off, gutting them, and then washing them up and then frying them in a skillet. All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. February 24th, 2018, catching crappie at a pond. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures.